Spring is an easy time of year to feel joy. There is sunshine in the air and blossoms on the trees. Need I say more? Well, so in an effort to help you maximize happiness this season, we are rolling out our Find the Love List Spring Edition. These are things for you to try, see, or do to help feel more love for the already beautiful life you live. Studio 5 producer Harley Frodsham is here to share. Harley, I love this series. You love this series. What do you love about it?
So on Studio 5, something that we try to do is bring light to everyone's life, to the viewers' lives. We hope that when they come here for an hour a day, that it's just a little refuge. And this is something that this series does so well, I think, because I'm giving you 5 things I want you to do or try, but there's just such super light things to do. Like, they're not hard, and then they'll add light to your life. They'll bring joy. They'll kind of mix up the mundane. It's just fun and cute.
Yes, I agree. There's easy to do.
Yes,
and
exactly.
Easy to add to your list of fun. So you're starting us to get local, shop local.
Exactly, shop local. So maybe it's just I'm entering the farmer's market scene, I don't know. Or there's been this farmer's market renaissance, but just in the past few summers and springs, I've been seeing more and more farmers markets and them becoming more and more popular. And I love a good farmer's market. I love to just stroll. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I don't. But it's a good way to just get outside, and my, little challenge is to buy a new food item, because there's always a lot of food to try. Try something new while you're there. Go to a farmer's market, buy some fresh produce, and there's a bunch of farmer's markets across the state. There's locations, up north and south, and a lot of them are opening in just a few weeks. Some are already open. So just, look around for a farmer's market near you and get out there. It's such a lovely experience.
Maybe just grab something, an ingredient that you're going to try that's different or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, and one of those goes along with your next thing you want us to try, making some homemade jam.
Yeah,
I love jam. I don't make it, so why don't I?
And to make it, it's so easy. I didn't know that. I did not know that until just a few years ago. I did a little jam making night with some girlfriends, and it was just fun, easy enough that we were all just chatty as we were doing it. And something, you can grab a new fruit or any kind of fruit from the farmer's market and then turn it into fresh jam on this printable that we're gonna have on our website. On the back, we'll give you a jam recipe that we've shared here on the show, or you can just find one that you already know and love. But make some jam this spring, put it on some bread. Doesn't even need to be homemade bread. Just make it homemade jam and have fun with your kids in the kitchen.
On your jam night, were you just doing the freezer jam?
Yes,
that's the easiest kind, right?
Pectin,
and you don't have to use the big all day.
And that's the recipe that we also have on the back. Freezer that you can keep in your freezer or fridge for a long time. Just easy, but
when we run out, my kids are always yelling at me, and I'm like,
where's the jam?
Someone needs to gift us more jam. Okay, your next one I think is so fun for kids. It's so fun for an Easter basket. We're talking about flying a kite.
Exactly. Great idea for an Easter basket, because
we need to tell the Easter Bunny about that.
I know, yeah. When was the last time we flew a kite? Honestly, I don't know. I think it's been years. I think you only do it when you're a child. And so grab your kids and grandkids and go fly a kite. I just keep hearing Mary Poppins in my head. But even just watching, this is my niece and nephew, and this video just brings me joy. Watching them fly a kite, play with their mom and dad outside. So on a windy day in spring, go outside to a park, see the fresh blossoms on the trees, and fly a kite. So simple, but your kids will just be so excited.
Especially a day you're complaining about the wind. Take advantage.
Totally.
Okay, flower power. We're gonna build our own bouquets.
Yes, okay, this one might be my favorite if I'm picking favorites. This one might be it. I just went to Trader Joe's the other day, and of course, everyone knows you go to Trader Joe's, buy some flowers. I took them home and I built myself a bouquet, and I kind of went with a yellow. Obviously, I like yellow. You can tell by my outfit, but I went with a yellow, more wildflower approach. I built one for me and then one for my cute sister-in-law, and I just knocked on her door later that night. We live near each other, and dropped it off, and at first she was like, "Is this because I lost the March Madness bracket?" I was like, "No, it's not. It just is to say I love you." And she was so "What the heck? This is so nice," so surprised. And not only was it a fun, creative experience for me, and now I have pretty flowers in my kitchen, but it was also just a sweet gesture to my sister-in-law, who I love. So I think this was seriously one of my favorites. So simple, creative,
and it can be affordable.
So it was $20.
Yes.
It was $20 for me to buy the flowers, and And then I got something out of it, and then so did, my sister-in-law. It was so cute.
Great idea. Okay, tell us about your spring spa day.
Yes, I'm calling it a spring spa day, but it doesn't mean you have to go to the spa. Essentially, I'm giving you permission to treat yourself because we're kind of coming out of hibernation once you get out of winter. And sometimes you just need a good girlfriend to tell you, like, go get your hair done if you want to go get your hair done, or go get a pedicure, or buy a new item of clothing. Sometimes you just need that permission to feel good about it. And this is me, I'm giving you the permission. Treat yourself. So for me, I bought a new pair of shoes. And I know that sounds so simple, but I hadn't hopped on the Mary Jane, the ballet flats trend yet. I was like, Harley, you gotta buy yourself some flats. And so I went to J. Crew and I got these cute ballet flats, kind of like a spring shoe staple. And yeah, like I said, I've said treat yourself multiple times, but that really is what it is. Just we're coming out of winter, new life, new energy this spring, and go get your hair done. I don't know.
You made it through the winter.
Yeah, a facial, a massage, whatever it is.
Harley, I like this. I like this list. Tell us, because we can find the whole list on our website.
Exactly. So the whole list, beautiful design. It's so darling. You can find it on the Studio 5 website. The 5 activities on the front, the jam recipe on the back. Print it out, put it on your fridge, put it on your mirror, whatever it is, and just try to check these off this spring and enjoy it.
I say this is like a grown-up bucket list for you and your friends.
Seriously.
For spring.
I know, it really is. I just hope it brings the viewers so much joy. It brings me joy checking them off, so do it with me.
Thank you, Harley.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing this to us.
Of course.